Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a line half tone, how to make a line. Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a line half tone using Canva apps and then add it to your poster or maybe your image. So the way how to do it: first, open your Canva and then make a new project, and after that insert a image that you want to add the effect. For example, I will try to use, wait for a moment, let me find an image. I think I will use this man, and then click the image and then click the Magic Studio, and then you need to click BG remover to remove the background from the object. After doing it, now let me minimize the frame first, and after that swipe left the toolbar and then click the apps button, and then you need to add the screen apps, this one. Click it, and you need to click this halftone, this one. Click the halftone, and as you can see, when you click it, now the image have the line effect like this. To adjust it, swipe up and then increase the halftone scale to make the line much more complicated like this. And for the amount, you can decrease the amount one more time onto 32 like this. And for the line or cut, you need to increase it onto 1 like this, as you can see. And for the scale, you can increase it to like this onto 1.5. And let me adjust it one more time. And after you finish doing it, now click save, and the image is already have this effect, as you can see. And after that, click the image one more time and then swipe left the toolbar and then click effect, and you need to use this duotone effect, and swipe left, then click the mastered effect, this one, then adjust the color. For the shadow, I will adjust the shadow color onto blue color, this color, and then go back. And now as you can see that the image is already have the halftone effect. But if you want to adjust the halftone one more time, you can click it again, click the apps and then open the screen and then halftone. I think it's still not make me satisfied, so I will adjust it one more time. Lean, okay, and then click save. And after that, okay, now I think I'm gonna use this design. And then one more time, click effect and then duotone, and then use this master duotone and then change the color onto blue color for the shadow, this one. Okay, and after you finish doing it, now positioning the image like this, and after that change the background color onto blue color like this. Wait, it's too dark, I need a little bit. Okay, like this. And after that, add the text onto this design. For example, I will add half tone, and for the font you need to use this Rubik maze, this one. Click it. Now as you can see, it changed like a halftone. And then for the color, I think I will use a yellow color like this. Change all, and now it's finished, as you can see. And that's the way how to add a line halftone onto your poster or maybe your image using Canva apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.